here for Disneyland After Dark Star Wars Night. Hello there and welcome to another Little Spark vlog. Today we're at Disneyland for
Star Wars Nite.
Star Wars Nite. So it's a special ticket event. So we had to buy these. I think they were released back in March. And we're coming for 2 nights, May 8th and May 11th. And well, tonight's May 8th, the first night. We already checked in. We got our badges and our wristbands. And right now, the first one of the major character meet and greets here is Queen Amidala. So we are currently in her line. Started at 6 o'clock, and we are waiting to get a wristband in order to come back at a future time to see her.
We're also loosely bounding as Obi-Wan, Ahsoka, and Anakin.
Yes, Alex is with us. He's right behind the camera. But I'll put a little like up and down of our outfits and now so you can see the jean jackets that Becky really made.
And my mom helped. Shout out to my mom.
Yeah. So we're just gonna enjoy Star Wars Night. We're gonna eat a lot of special themed food for the event, see a lot of characters, and just enjoy the ambiance around the park because there are tons of people dressed up. It is really cool. So let's go. So we are in line right underneath the Frontierland arch to get our wristband for Padme Amidala, yes, Queen Amidala.
We already checked in at the front. We got our credentials. These are so cool.
They are.
I love this little souvenir.
And wristbands.
And we got our wristbands for the event, but I guess for like longer character meet and greets, like characters they know that there's going to be a big wait for, they do kind of like a time slot thing, so we're going to get a wristband with a specific time to return back to meet her. So there's a special guide map for the event. It looks super cool, and this kind of shows you what some of the entertainment around the park is going to be. So there is a lightsaber meetup. The First Order kind of marches around Tomorrowland at different times. Apparently there's a DJ party zone.
There's fireworks.
There is definitely a fireworks show. And then we also have some photo opportunities. And then we have the character lineup. And then here's a map kind of with some symbols, kind of like where everything is.
So it's all the way around Disneyland Park. And with the event, there's a lot of different special foods, all Star Wars themed.
So we've already mobile ordered a lot of these items before the party even started, like earlier today.
Yeah, even around like 1 o'clock, we were able to mobile order for 10 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, so definitely, if you're coming to an event here, check the app to see if they let you mobile order early.
Yeah, because some of the food will sell out. So also included in this event are all of the PhotoPass downloads. So any pictures with characters that have PhotoPass photographers or anyone PhotoPass photographers around the park, those photos are included. Okay, so we just got our wristband to meet the Queen of Naboo. So we ended up getting it between 10 and 11, but we can't be any later than 10:15 in order to get in line. So it's probably going to be, I think, an hour of our trip, our Star Wars night. So we're going to head off to Pioneer Mercantile to see if they have the special shirt, because I think that's the only merch item, which is kind of disappointing. I want a pin, but... so yeah, we're gonna head over there and see if it's available early. If not, then we just gotta maybe get in line for another character for the start of Star Wars Night. No special merch until 9 o'clock, so we're just gonna walk around and maybe get in line for another character for right at 9 o'clock. So one of the photo opportunities, which is basically like a door in Tatooine, we took a picture in front of before the party actually starts, so that's good. So we checked one thing off.
We'll put those pictures in.
And now we're going into Galaxy's Edge to get a Ronto Wrap before the party starts because we're hungry, and all of our mobile orders aren't until like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. So yeah, we're gonna get a little something to eat right now first. Some of the cosplaying going on here. Bad Batch. Nice. Found Mando. I know it's loud because we're at Ronto Roasters right now, but we already saw Fennec Shand and Mando with Grogu in Galaxy's Edge, so that's cool. I know that they do sometimes wander around Galaxy's Edge just in general throughout the day, but it's nice to be able to see them now, so then we can kind of like check them off our list even before the party starts too. So got ourselves a couple of Ronto Wraps to start off the night. You can get these not during just the party, but regular daytime for any guests, so both here and at Hollywood Studios. Got Ray at the top. Okay, so we just got our picture with K2SO from Rogue One, and we'll put that picture in now. It's just cool that we're able to do some of these things before like Star Wars Nite actually officially begins. So we can use party time for other characters and lots of eating.
Guys, start to the right, please.
Oh my gosh, it's Chopper! Hello, Chop! The first character we are meeting, Chop! It's gotta be one. It's gotta be one to Hello, Chop! Hello! You're my favorite droid, Chop. Yeah? Yay!
He's guiding them in.
First and 10, ready. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's all look at Chopper on the left. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect.
Nice, nice.
Okay, so we just met my favorite droid, Chopper, from Star Wars Rebels, which will also be in the Ahsoka Series.
Deactivate.
Over near Small World here, they're doing like lightsaber
I
training.
love it. Shane, Julissa, where are you at? You having fun down there? Yeah? All right, everyone. Let's continue on with our second.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome. We invite you to join us now as we set a course for a galaxy far, far away, created especially for tonight. It's time for Star Wars Celebrate the Night. This is the way.
Queen Amidala and Anakin Skywalker's back there too.
You have matching jackets, you must be
Yeah.
Well, we have to keep it under wraps.
Oh,
Yeah. Secret stuff. Yeah. Secret.
I travel with a couple of bodyguards and decoys. I understand the importance of keeping secrets.
Yes.
Should we do a facial scan?
Sure. And we just missed Anakin in there. Literally.
So we just met Queen Amidala, put the pictures in now. And we just missed Anakin. Like, he didn't come back with her after a little break. And then as soon as we left, he came out for like racers.
Yep. A little bit of a bummer, but I mean, he's just like a roaming character that like just comes and goes as he pleases.
There's no photo
for
pass
her.
person. Yeah, there's no photo pass person taking pictures with him. Like, you had to use your own phone or whatever device you were going to use. So
Yeah. So we didn't get to interact with him, but we did, you know, see him for a while we were waiting in line.
yeah, I mean, that's good enough.
Yeah. So.
Alright, we're having a hard time deciding what we want to do. We have like 40 minutes until our first mobile order for the night, and I don't know what we're going to do. So we're going to figure it out, and then we'll bring you with us.
We do have Ezra and Sabine here as well, meeting and greeting.
Okay, so from the Little Red Wagon, this is our first of many mobile orders we set up for the evening. This is just a loaded corn dog. It is a hand-dipped corn dog from the Little Red Wagon with chili, cheese sauce, and Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and green onion, which we're gonna take that right off of there. Alright, this is very large, so I'm gonna cut it up and then give it a try.
No way you can eat it like a normal corn dog. It's definitely a fork and knife corn dog.
If I didn't have makeup on, I would try. Some chili, not much cheese sauce. Give it a whirl. It tastes like all the before-mentioned things put together.
Now, what would you rate it on a scale of 0% to 100% true Jedi?
70% true Jedi.
Lego Star Wars fans know what I'm talking about.
It's good, just like not revolutionary, you know. Like,
Yeah.
It's like a corn dog, chili, cheese sauce. There's very few Flamin' Hot Cheetos, so not to the point where I can be like, oh wow, like really get the spice. It's like.
We're also eating this at the Galactic Grill, and Alex got the a special burger. Just put them on the spot here.
Yep. It's got a little pork belly in it. It's got a little spicy coleslaw and a regular burger. It's not bad. Pretty good.
What's your rating? 0 to 100% true Jedi.
I'll probably say burger's good. The pork belly really makes it. I'd probably give it a 77%.
Oh, that's not bad.
I love your ratings.
We're at the Galactic Grill where Darth Maul and Darth Vader are meeting and greeting guests. Okay, I'm gonna eat some corn dog with Becky.
Here you go.
Becky was today years old when she found out that a corn dog is just literally cornbread wrapped around a hot dog. What did you think it was?
Just a batter, like a soup batter.
Cornbread.
The more you know.
You may dispense with the pleasantries. Your destiny lies with me. Search your feelings. You know this to be true. The force is strong with this one. Impressive. Most impressive.
Okay, next we have the Phyrexian fries from Galactic Grill. These are waffle fries with pork chorizo, chili de arbol, cheese sauce, and black beans topped with avocado tomatillo sauce, green onions, and Oaxaca cheese. And then for a drink, we also got the pineapple coconut juice, which is just pineapple juice, coconut milk, and lime juice, topped with pineapple chunks and a lotus root.
Okay, I'm gonna dive into this. They're waffle fries. I love waffle fries. Seem like they have decent integrity. Can be very spicy.
Oh no.
I'm holding back tears a little bit. That may be one of the spiciest things I've ever eaten in a Disney park. Honestly. It's a little cold, like temperature-wise. So that's a little disappointing. On a scale of 0 to 100 True Jedi, I give it a 67. So not.
You didn't want to give it an order 66?
That would have been smart. That would have been very smart.
Especially since you said 67.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Missed opportunity. Missed opportunity.
Why don't you wash it down with some pineapple coconut juice?
Exactly what it is. Coconut pineapple juice. It tastes like that melted Dole Whip that I like at Aloha Isle back in Magic Kingdom. The coconut pineapple swirl. I give that a 91 from 0 to 100 True Jedi.
I really enjoyed the fries. I'd give them like a 75.
I don't know why. The other bites I've had aren't as spicy compared to that first bite.
You probably got a big bite of the salsa. Or I'm gonna try this. I feel like I should like that more than I do, and I don't know why. Maybe it's the lime. I'm not a fan of lime. It gives me a little bit of like a soap vibe, like I'm drinking soap.
There's lime in this?
Yeah. You put the lime in the coconut in the pineapple and you drink it all up.
Oh, that's how the song goes? I'm saying it wrong all
Yeah,
these years.
everybody always forgets pineapple.
Yeah.
But that's it right there.
And pineapple. So the music is really bumping outside, so hopefully you can hear me okay. But we went into the ice cream parlor and got a Nacky sundae after Grogu Baby Yoda. So in this there's like a blue macaroon cookie, macaron. There's a gummy frog. There's also a chicky nugget, some like Chex Mix and stuff. And then further inside, there's also like boba pearls, which are like the fish eggs that he was eating. So this is all centered around Grogu. So I think I'm just gonna like flip it over into it. Oh, and there's ice cream. I guess I can't really mix it around, but so here it goes, an ice cream chicken nugget. It's actually not that bad. So kind of similar how you you could dip like French fries into like milkshake. It just works for whatever reason. But honestly, this is just a novelty item to get.
I have the Princess Leia inspired ice cream. I already ate one of the cinnamon buns, but it's pretty good. It was still a little warm actually by the time I got it. I'm pretty sure that's just vanilla ice cream. There's a caramel swirl and something to give a little sweet crunch. This is really good. I'd give it like a 90%. It's simple but good.
So we're back in the room. Star Wars Nite. First Star Wars Nite is finished because we're actually going to be going back on Thursday, May 11th for the last night of Star Wars Nite. But what did you think of it?
Overall, I had a really good time. I think we planned our night pretty good. We got our two main characters out of the way. We saw some of the entertainment, including the fireworks. And we got to try some of the special food offerings. So I can see if you went into this event showing up at the time of the event start and not planning ahead of time, you would be very frustrated with the event for sure.
Just know, like, going into this event, there is no way, absolutely no way that you can do everything.
Even though Marcus was trying.
I was trying really hard, and Becky was getting frustrated with me, honestly. But she's a very patient wife. But
Marcus runs on Marcus time.
Yeah, but like there literally is no way that you can do everything. You have to prioritize maybe one or two, photo ops that you want to do, one or two character meet and greets. Do you want to see the fireworks? Do you want to do the lightsaber meetup? And that's kind of why we ended up booking 2 nights of it, just to try to do some more.
Right. Pick one must-see character and one kind of like bonus character.
Yeah.
Pick one headline entertainment. So a lot of nights like these have a special fireworks show or some sort of thing like at the Star Wars Nite, a lightsaber meetup, and pick 1 or 2 food items. And I would say that is considered a pretty successful night.
Yeah. And I will say that the event was awesome in the fact that every guest seemed to be really into Star Wars and was dressed up for it and just seeming to have a good time, which brought up the whole like vibe of the entire night.
Yeah. So if you like Star Wars, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe because, again, if you love Star Wars, we got a Night 2 coming.
Night 2!
So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.